Got a little visitor this morning, a little robin there. It's that time of year, early October, where in our garden we'll start seeing one or two that will overwinter here. We don't usually see them in the summer, and they're very, very tame. That's only about 4 or 5 foot away. And by emptying tidying the soil, the leaves, and digging it over there, he's coming along having a look for things to eat. Beautiful little bird, Sam. He's hiding in the katsura there at the moment. He's gone at the back. There he is. He's having a shake. See if he comes back down. There he goes. That's a UK robin. We're in the northeast of England here. Very famous bird for Christmas cards. It's had an orange breast tinged, edged with a greyish tone. Very agile. It's great to have a little bit of nature in the garden when you're working away, tidying up. So he's having a good feed of whatever's down there that I've disturbed. So we'll let him get on. Bye for now, folks.